What if I told you that you could create animated videos just like Cocomelon and earn money from them, completely for free? Cocomelon is one of the most watched kids channels in the world, generating billions of views and millions of dollars every month. Imagine having your own channel like that, reaching kids all around the world, and making money while doing it. And the best part? You don't need any animation skills, a big budget, or even a team to make it happen. Thanks to AI, you can create professional-looking videos easily and for free. The video you are watching now just took me 5 minutes to create using AI. And it cost me nothing. Yes, you heard that right. So stay with me, and I'll show you how you can start your own animated kids channel today. Every great video starts with a great idea. Don't have one? No problem. AI is here to help. I asked ChatGPT to come up with ideas for an animated kids song video. Within seconds, I had a list of fun and creative ideas to choose from. Once I picked my favorite, I asked ChatGPT to write the script and song lyrics. Here's an example. And that's not all, I also asked ChatGPT to describe each scene in detail, including the settings, characters, and actions. Now, we have the script ready and it's time to animate it. For this, I'm using HailuoAI, a powerful animation generator that creates clean and smooth videos. It's beginner-friendly, and new users get around 1100 credits, and for each generation it will cut 30 credits, which is really awesome for new creators. I copied the scene descriptions from ChatGPT and pasted them into HailuoAI. After clicking generate, the tool worked its magic. Within minutes, I had colorful animation clips ready to download. While the tool works, you can queue up maximum 3 scenes to save time. Now let's add some music. If you're not a singer or musician, don't worry, Suno AI has you covered. I copied the lyrics from ChatGPT, pasted them into Suno, and chose a cheerful, kid-friendly music style. Suno AI generated 2 versions of the song, so I picked the one that fit best with the video. Here's a preview.
The cow in the meadow goes moo, 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 with spots so bright and skies so blue. Big and strong, it says moo to you.
Amazing, isn't it? With the animation clips and the song ready, it's time to bring everything together. I used CapCut, a free and easy-to-use video editor, to match the scenes with the song. Here's how. First, upload your animation clips. Second, add the song. And finally, adjust the timing to match the visuals with the music. Once everything looked perfect, I exported the final video. And here it is. See how simple that was? You can create your own kids song videos and even start a YouTube channel just like this. It's easy, fun, and costs almost nothing to get started. But you can earn a huge from it like other channels. If this video helped you, please leave a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tutorials. Let me know in the comments what kind of videos you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.